How to compress video in CapCut without losing much of its quality. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you guys can compress your quality. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you guys can compress your video in your CapCut without losing much quality. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is make sure that you've made the necessary edits in your CapCut and you're ready to export. After you've made sure of that, tap on the export button on the top right here. And after you do that, you will see this export section. What you'll need to do is lower your resolution. So if it's in 4K, simply tap on this and change it to something like 1080p, which is still good quality. And let us check what it was at the first one. So let's say that it was at maybe 8K. You can see the file size is about 1.18 GBs. If you're used to exporting it at 4K, it's still gonna be about 355 MB. So change it to 1080p, and with that you can already see a drastic change in your size. And for the bitrate, you can change it to something recommended. You just don't set it at higher one. You can choose the lower option here if you want. But let's just keep it at recommended for this one. For the codec one, you will need to make sure that you've selected H.264, which is the most common compression method. So if you do that, you can see another drastic drop. So if you set it at HEVC, which is also efficient, saves space, you can choose that as well. You can try a different one here. You can choose different options, whichever is a lower one. You can use that. In this case, it seems like it's HEVC. And for the format, you can choose MP4 or MOV, it does not matter. And for the frame rate, you can keep it at 30 FPS. Then finally, tap on the export button and the export should begin. And you can see the file has dropped down to 154 MB, which is a lot less than what it was before. And that's how you can compress your video in CapCut. Thanks for watching. That is all for today. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.